Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the keyboard in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-19. First thing you want to do is open the unit and then remove the bezels. Each bezel has 2 screws on it. And now you can lift and remove them. Next, you want to pull back the keyboard. I like to use a flat head and just pop it up. Now you need to remove the keyboard cable cover. There are 3 screws on it. And finally, you can disconnect the ribbon cable from its connector. To open a connector, you just have to kind of softly pry the 2 sides and then it'll open. And now you can remove the keyboard. Since it's just an example and this one's perfectly fine, I'll put that right back in. You just want to reassemble in the same order. Ribbon cable, cable cover, and then the keyboard and bezels. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.